I wanted to become a Miss India and I was shooting with Aishwarya. She didn't tell me कि आप और सुंदर बनो या आप you dress well or you speak well. She told me
viral hug with Imran Hashmi.
girls were jealous of it.
Yeah, of course.
Did somebody
Imran
come and tell
Hashmi
you? All the female friends, they always did like, अच्छा तस्करी किसके साथ है? मैंने बोला इमरान हाशमी. अच्छा, क्योंकि हम हाइड एंड सीक बहुत खेलते थे सेट पर. So ये छुप ना जाए बच्चे कहीं because of the whole it's a stellar cast. There's so many people on set. I was playing Abhishek's younger sister and I was quite a chubby child at that time.
What does a perfect getaway look like for you?
Oh, perfect getaway will be something कोई बहुत ही सुकून भरी जगह.
Okay.
It could be a beach, it could be Goa, Maldives, or it could be पहाड़ों में actually. You know what I feel the best kind of trips are when you take it.
Do you prefer solo trips?
I've never done a solo trip.
do you
Maybe I
wanna
should try. One trip that changed my life. Ooh, it has to be.
This interview is presented by Barmal Lowry and Company Limited, a Government of India enterprise with 160 years of trust.
Hi, this is Jan. You're watching Min Galata India. Today I'm in conversation with very creative and talented Zoya Arfoz. Hi Zoya, how have you been?
Thank you. I've been good. I've been great. I've been over the moon. So thank you so much for having me.
How is Taskari treating you? The
Life,
overwhelming love.
oh my God, I'm overwhelmed. Life has been so different post the release. I mean, I always knew Taskari की जो script amazing थी जब मैंने पढ़ी और of course it's Neeraj sir and of course it's Imran Hashmi and the cast is stellar. The writing is just so nuanced. So I always knew it will be great. It'll be good. But इस तरह का response तो मैंने भी imagine नहीं किया था. I am flooded with messages, with DMs, in terms of appreciation of work, and everybody is so invested in the character and the character arc और प्रिया के character की जो journey रही है.
Yeah.
Everybody is so invested in that
Yes.
and they're praising that. So एक actor के लिए उससे बड़ी बात कोई और हो नहीं सकती है.
True, and people were, and some girls were jealous of it. The viral hug with Imran Hashmi. What do you have to say on that? Because that went viral.
Girls were jealous of it?
Yeah, of course.
Did somebody
Imran
come and tell
Hashmi
you?
But yeah, they loved you as well.
Yeah, they did. I mean, very funny thing happened actually. Every time I would tell someone कि मैं तस्करी कर रही हूँ, especially all the, my friend's mom and like other, all the female friends, they always did like, अच्छा तस्करी किसके साथ है? मैंने बोला इमरान हाशमी के साथ है. So suddenly, from not giving me any attention, they were like, oh. Cha. I don't know what that meant. I'm still trying to figure out that. But I think they meant, of course, everybody's a great fan of his work. He's so charming on and off screen. So I'm sure that look was for that.
But when I was googling, मुझे काफी सारी चीजें आई थी, and you have to talk to me about it. That you were in हम साथ साथ हैं as a child. मुझे बताइए वो कौन सा सीन था? वो नीलम कोठारी के जो बच्चे थे उनके थे हम साथ साथ में.
हाँ, आपने वो सॉन्ग देखा होगा चंदा मामा से भी प्यारे.
वो हम गा भी रहे थे आज.
So that I
बहुत बदमाश बच्चे थे मूवी में ना.
मूवी में बहुत बदमाश थे, बट मैं तो बिल्कुल भी बदमाशी नहीं करती थी. बट एक ही बदमाशी हम करते थे कि हम हाइड एंड सीक खेलते थे सेट पर. सो हम जाके छुप जाते थे. तो जो एडीज की आई थिंक सूरज सर ने एक एडी लगा रखा था हम तीनों बच्चों के पीछे, क्योंकि हम हाइड एंड सीक बहुत खेलते थे सेट पर. सो ये छुप ना जाए बच्चे कहीं बिकॉज ऑफ द होल इट्स अ स्टेलर कास्ट. देयर सो मेनी पीपल ऑन सेट. सो दे डिडंट वांट एनीबॉडी टू बी पता चला शॉट लगा एंड बच्चे गायब. हाइड एंड सीक खेल रहे हैं.
बहुत अच्छी कास्ट, बड़ी कास्ट. सलमान सर थे. इनफैक्ट और कोई मेमोरीज याद है आपको?
हाफ ऑफ इंडस्ट्री वाज
इन दैट फिल्म. यस. बट क्या वो माइंडसेट चेंज हुआ? क्योंकि यू वर्क एज अ चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट एज वेल, बट फिर जब आप बड़ी हुई तो माइंडसेट चेंज हुआ एज अ चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट?
100%. आप जब बचपन में आप जब काम करते हो, इट्स ऑल फन एंड इट्स ऑल मतलब you're just so instinctive about. आप इतना सोचते नहीं हो बचपन में, राइट? एंड सब आपको बहुत प्रेज करते हैं, आपको चॉकलेट्स देते हैं, कम लेट्स डू दिस सीन, कम वील प्रिपेयर. अगर आप गलतियां भी कुछ करते हैं तो आपको इतनी डांट नहीं पड़ती. बट एज एन अडल्ट, आई मीन, जब आप एक सेट पर आते हो, एक किरदार की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आप पर आ जाती है, तो 100% बहुत डिफरेंट है.
But then after that you won the
अब
pageant.
हमें कोई चॉकलेट्स नहीं देता सीन करने के लिए ना.
अब तो
That's the
करना ही है, जितना ज़्यादा है उतना बेटर है, I feel, नहीं?
Yeah.
But after that you won many pageants also, India, international, हर जगह. क्या वो pressure बनता गया कि यार अब तो prove करना पड़ेगा, या तो अब तो you have
I
to do
think the pressure was to always prove to my own self.
Okay.
I always thought that I want to prove that I live up to my own expectations. So वो pressure ज़रूर था कि अपना potential completely use करना है, and मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I have so much to offer in terms of my art form, my craft. So मुझे वो हर तरह से अपने आप को prepare करना है उस तरीके से. So that is why the kind of roles also I choose. I mean, I'm not in a place of choosing so much, but फिर भी I'm not doing roles which are जिनका especially when you see with Priya's character, she has an arc. Especially नीरज sir ने जो female characters लिखते हैं हमेशा, वो बहुत strong होते हैं. They're not just there to be there. या फिर वो they're not just an eye candy.
Correct.
So my thing is कि I want to prove it to my own self that I will live up to my expectation और मैं अपना पूरा potential use करूँ. I think that is
It
something
should be
that
important role, I believe.
It's not about importance.
Then?
It's about does it drive the story forward? Is the character nuanced? Is the character layered? Is it human? क्या मैं अपने audiences से connect कर पा रही हूँ? क्या मैं अपना emotion उन तक पहुँचा पा रही हूँ? क्या वो entertained हैं इस performance से? या I think, and more important, it should take the story forward.
तो इस बीच में I'm sure काफी projects also would have come to you. You have said no. कोई ऐसा project?
No की तो पता नहीं, but a lot of projects are coming, and touchwood, I'm very grateful. There are some amazing projects that are coming up. Starting with हमने जो Netflix पे अभी second project जो
Yes,
हमारा launch
saw
किया है, which is ये दिल सुन रहा है.
Yes, saw you there.
So that is something that I'm very very excited about. It's a heart wrenching story, and अब मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बताना चाहूँगी इसके बारे में, but it's very
It's mid-July or June, I guess, no? It's coming.
I don't know. Do you know? Tell me.
True. But talking about you, again, I was googling you, and again, वहाँ पे आया था कहो ना कुछ. You were in that also with Abhishek and Aishwarya?
Yes, I was playing Abhishek's younger sister, and I was quite a chubby child at that time. So I don't know if you could recognize me if you saw. It was a lovely experience to work with, my idol at that time, because I wanted to become a Miss India, and I was shooting with Aishwarya, and I always called her Ash, so with love.
Some memories?
I used to trouble her a lot. Yes. I used to go up and tell her that, tell me Miss India कैसे बनते हैं. I was barely 8 years old or 7 years old.
Yeah.
So, actually something that she said has stayed with me, and it has impacted my life so much. She didn't tell me कि आप और सुंदर बनो, या आप you dress well or you speak well. She told me that आप अपनी क्लास में first आने की कोशिश करना और पढ़ाई पे ध्यान देना. And I took that so seriously. I would try to get a distinction. I was an average student, but मैं मेहनत करके ज़्यादा पढ़ाई कर लेती थी. मतलब तो मैं अपने grades को बहुत अच्छे मतलब उसको अच्छा करने के लिए बहुत मेहनत किया मैंने, because Aishwarya Rai told me that please focus on your studies and your education.
Wow.
Because if that is in place, everything else will be.
So true.
She could have taken it lightly because a child was asking her, and she could have said something very on the surface, but what she said stayed with me forever.
But after that, ever you get in touch with her or something?
I did meet her. She was very excited, and I told her that, ma'am, you had told me, study well and all that, and I had asked you, and I've worked with you. Very kind and sweet, very genuine person. And she was very happy to see me, and I told her that I have finally become a Miss India, and I idolize you. So I think she was genuinely very happy to see me.
है ना?
Yeah.
So nice. But so I was thinking, you worked on lots of projects as a child, I feel, है ना?
मैंने काफ़ी सारे projects तो किए हैं. There were lot of stuff, but वो on and off होता था, because मेरी पढ़ाई भी साथ साथ चलती थी. So I would try to focus on the study, and बीच में जो time मिलता था, I would try to go and shoot and take up projects. Of course, not me, my parents. But yeah, it was a lovely experience. I thought, I think it's the best experience a child could have gotten in terms of कि मुझे हमेशा से ही एक्टर बनना था, and मुझे हमेशा से ही कैमरा के सामने रहना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद था. तो उस हिसाब से मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस मिला, बहुत अच्छा एक्सपोजर मिला, इतने अच्छे लोगों के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला. आई स्टार्टेड विद सूरज बड़जात्या जी के सेट पर. मैं 3 साल की थी, वहाँ से मैंने शुरुआत की है with all the actors that have, I've gotten to learn so much from them. Especially with Rohan Sippy sir, Ramesh Sippy sir on Kuch Na Kaho. And of course, so that learning I keep.
But did that
With
help you to get more and more roles when you started growing?
I don't know about helping it to get roles, but it definitely helped me get an experience and exposure. And it made me very comfortable in front of the camera. Also, it made me learn a lot from my environment because I was working with such amazing people in terms of directors and actors. It made me learn a lot, not just the art form, but just आपको प्रोफेशनली एक सेट पर कैसे रहना चाहिए. वो भी बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलता है आपको इन लोगों से. सो वो मुझे मिला. बट आई थिंक आई मीन फॉर अस पीपल हु कम फ्रॉम नो फैमिली बैकग्राउंड, आई थिंक फॉर अस हमें हर अपॉर्चुनिटी के लिए ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. एंड दैट्स ऑलवेज इट हैज़ बीन द ट्रूथ एंड होपफुली विल चेंज दैट सम टाइम. बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हर बार टू गेट एनी कैरेक्टर, एटलीस्ट टिल नाउ, आई वुड ऑलवेज ऑडिशन. एंड इवन दो मैंने काम किया है काफ़ी पहले एज अ चाइल्ड एक्टर, बट फिर भी हर ऑडिशन में एक नई जर्नी शुरू होती है.
I love giving the auditions. No?
Absolutely, an actor must give audition. And audition तो हर किसी को देना ही चाहिए as an actor, because how else will you get the role? I mean, that's how I think people.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
True. We have a travel segment.
Okay, no
ठीक है.
worries.
It's called Travel Diaries with
Okay.
Zoya. ठीक है. Zoya, after back-to-back shoots and event, what does a perfect getaway look like for you?
Oh, perfect getaway will be something, कोई बहुत ही सुकून भरी जगह.
Okay.
It could be a beach, it could be Goa, Maldives, or it could be पहाड़ों में actually, हिमाचल के पहाड़ों में. That would be a perfect
So
getaway.
you're a mountain person,
I am,
basically.
yes.
है ना?
More mountain than beach, yeah.
Are you more of a plan everything or a traveler, let's figure it out on the way type?
Oh, no. I have OCD. I have major OCD. Everything needs to be meticulously planned in advance, and I should know the plan. कि हम इतने बजे ये करें. But of course, leave some space for spontaneity. But एकदम भी rigid नहीं रह सकते आप. तो I think. But basic planning तो होनी चाहिए.
Planning होनी चाहिए ना.
You can't just go. Maybe one day I should do. It will be very
Fun
nerve-wracking for me if
adventure.
you send me just go. I'll be lost.
What kind of vacations help you reset the most luxury or adventure or quiet care, self-care kind of trips?
Which kind of?
हाँ.
I think, what I feel the best kind of trips are when you take a trip with your family and friends and you kind of make memories. Those are the best kind of trips, whether it be wherever. Place is not as important, company is.
True. Do you prefer solo trips?
I've never done a solo trip.
do you
Maybe
wanna
I should
try
try.
that?
Maybe I should try. Never
And
say
what
never.
about the girls trip? Have you been?
Girls trip, 100%. I love girls trip.
Yeah.
It's so
Have
much
been
fun.
to that?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I love girls trip. There's so much talking
So
involved.
much gossip.
Gossips more than that, like shopping, talking, a lot of laughter, dressing up.
Fit checks.
Absolutely.
Everything. What's one destination that completely surprised you?
I think Cape Town. I was shooting for Kingfisher Calendar, and we were shooting in exotic locations, and it has natural beauty. All the locations surprised me. Yeah.
What's one trip that changed the way you look at life today?
Wow, that's very deep, yeah. One trip that changed my life. Ooh, it has to be a Miss International trip to Japan, to Tokyo. It definitely changed the way I look at life.
Yeah.
And because, we are competing and everybody says, ये हमेशा हर, it's socially, लोग कहते हैं कि लड़कियां जब साथ रहती हैं तो झगड़ती हैं या, they compete with each other. We were literally in a competition. Miss International is a competition, one will win. But the kind of love and warmth and genuine support that I saw there, I think this is all propaganda.
Wow.
Yeah, they want us to be against each other, but actually all the girls there that I met, they were so genuinely caring, and it was not fake at all, because you can always tell if somebody's faking it.
Yeah.
But I saw a lot of genuine love and support, and we had a blast because every day we would go out, dress up, wearing our sashes, we would go out and roam around in Tokyo, Japan, and that kind of an experience kind of absolutely changed me.
Any travel ritual you follow?
Travel ritual. A lot of travel ritual. My bag needs to be packed a certain way. I have everything needs to be taken, whether it be used or not. I should have extra pieces. Skincare has to be put in place. What else? Travel ritual. As soon as you land, you need a coffee. So certain
Certain one, yeah.
rituals, yes, you have to follow.
Okay. The last one. Do you prefer everything pre-planned or stress-free packages kind of thing?
Stress-free. Who wants to stress? No, no, no. Pre-planned. I have OCD, pre-planned, put everything in place. And then when you land, you know, everything is sorted. Then you can just enjoy the view and just live
And
your
The
life.
perfect ones
Yes.
are the best where you're
But you know, sometimes, never say never, sometimes spontaneity is also fun. Like you don't know where you are and something happens out of the, you know, where you actually, which you didn't imagine at all. And you have a great time there.
So true, so true.
So I'm open to spontaneity.
Yeah. But before going, if you want to give us some gossip about Zahid, about your upcoming
Gossip you want from me?
कि सीधे हम शो पे ही देखेंगे अब.
आप मैं एक ही चीज़ बोल सकती हूँ, फिलहाल मैं सिर्फ अपने दिल की सुन रही हूँ, तो इसीलिए आपको कुछ नहीं बता पाऊंगी क्योंकि ये दिल सुन रहा है. एंड नेटफ्लिक्स पे आप ज़रूर देखेंगे, सुनेंगे, बहुत कुछ एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे एंड आई विल लीव यू टू दैट एक्सपीरियंस एंड आई डोंट वांट टू say anything pehle because I want you to have and everybody else to have that experience to discover.
True that. Thank you so much for talking to me. It was
Thank
such a
you.
lovely conversation.
Thank
Zahid.
you so much.
Thank you.
This interview is presented by Bamal Lowry and Company Limited, a Government of India enterprise with 160 years of trust.